Let's check how this thing works. So we got a voltage generator that's plugged into AC, and then
let me go ask him real quick.
it's creating 3.5 volts. There's your positive out. There's your negative. So there's the positive leaving into this relay. There's a positive 3 volts, and then there's the negative 3 volts. So it's going to the relay. From the relay, it comes out. So if it's on, then it's going to connect these two wires. And there's 100 volts there, number 1 and number 2. So we'll leave that alone. So this is my 110 volt input transformer. So the transformer has a red and a red, and then one of the red is connected to a switch, and the other red is connected to a neutral. So this is the rough side, so that's the neutral, and the positive side is going through a switch, and then when you turn it off, it stops, and then when you turn it on, it's on.
What are you doing?
And then from there, you have 3 outputs. The blue one you don't use, only use the 2 yellow. And one of the yellows, this is now DC voltage. So this is now DC voltage. And that DC voltage is going to the black wire over here. And then the other DC voltage is going to the blue wire. And then from there, it travels across to a, what's this thing called again? A bridge diode? All right, so then it goes to a bridge diode, and a bridge diode looks like this, where you got like 4 legs. And then DC goes into the bridge diode, and then it continues out. Then you have a capacitor that goes one positive side and one negative side. And then from there, it leaves the diode.
How many volts is your?
And then I
3 volts
think that's probably the positive side, probably.
Anything above 3
Goes into the other positive, another higher
After
capacitor,
3, it should turn on.
capacitor that leaves there, and it goes to that side, and that side goes into the relay. Then the relay leaves there, goes into there. It goes to the other side of the motor. So this is a DC motor. And so that must be the positive side. This could be the negative side. Oh, this still says plus positive. So this is the positive side. Then this must be the negative side.
That would be the. What's that?
All right, so this must be the negative side. So this blue wire must be the negative side.
We could ask him because. No, this is completely different. It's not the same. That one is this, but this is broken. No, this you can't even get in. Unless you're looking like. You got one?
Hey, do you know which side's positive and which one's negative on the yellow coming out? Okay. How about on the capacitor? Do you know if this leg is positive or this leg is?
The longer one is positive.
But how do we tell that from now? Which one of these was that one? One of these? That one is that one, right?
Yeah.
Can you grab one that says
Does it say?
4,700 microfarads, 34 volts? 4,700? Yeah, that's it. So which one's positive, which one's negative?
This one's positive.
The longer one's positive?
Longer side's positive, shorter's negative.
So have it lined up like that. There's a white
I think this side's negative. The right side.
That's negative. That side's positive. So let's see. This is the
It looks like that.
this is the white area, right? So it's plugged in like that. So if it's like this, so which one?
This side's positive.
Ah.
This is negative.
Okay, so if that's the case, then
This
this
side's negative.
this side negative. So that negative travels over to the positive here, comes out to the negative over there.
That's weird. Did you turn it off?
No, it's still spinning.
Yeah, the power went down though. Nice.
Whoa, there's action. Oh,
You alright though? You alright, bro? Yo, you good?
you should chill out from that area for a little bit. Let the smell move away from your nose for a little bit.
It's alright.
Is it because you switched
How
it?
we start, man. We building a bomb.
Heidi, did he say the long side is positive? Which one's positive?
This one is positive. The long one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then
So that's positive.
Voltage keep going down and down. The current. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but it keeps going
So
down.
that's positive. That positive goes over here. Okay, so that's positive. And then
You got the wire cutter? You got the wire cutter? Oh, yeah. It's all good.
so that's positive going to here. And so therefore this is negative going into there. So therefore this side, this is positive. Okay. So this is positive. So positive is traveling. And then it goes into the white wire. Then the white wire carries that positive to the blue wire. And the blue wire is still positive. Goes into the motor. And this is should be all negative here. Negative, negative.
It is the positive.
Yeah. Whoa! Jay!
Unplug that.
Woo! Woo! There, that was some action. Woo! Where's my safety glasses? That's my first time seeing a capacitor pop. I'm okay.
It's all disconnected. It's probably gonna put it on.
I know, huh?
Oh, you're trying to charge it? It's already.
Yep, I'll send it to you.
Okay, I think the goal here is don't leave it running for too long because it kept going slow and it just popped back up. So
Wow.
you get it running, that's it. No.
All right, so I hope you guys at home figured this how this worked before that capacitor went out. But definitely everything on this side is positive, everything on negative. And then everything on the blue is positive, and then this one over here is negative, negative, negative. Okay, risk her out.